Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lena Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do large knotless box braids on natural hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do this style, then go ahead and continue watching, girl. And of course, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all right? So let's just go ahead and jump into the video, okay? Everything that I use will be in the description box below. I use the same thing, y'all, for almost every single client, okay? You see her hair is transitioning, okay? She has, natural roots, but the ends of her hair are still permed, all right? Relaxed. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I just do the knotless braids, so that way her hair is not sticking out from the braids, and so, how everything kind of blends and flows together and still looks neat and good, all right? So yeah, guys, just kind of watch what I'm doing. I'm not going to talk throughout this whole video. This is kind of like a look and learn type of video. So yeah, guys, I'm going to let you guys like vibe to the music. And yeah, so like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications, guys, like the little bell that's beside the subscribe button, so that way you guys know when I upload, okay? So I'm transitioning back into like really uploading on a more consistent basis, okay? Because I done been on vacation. I done had a lot of things going on, Mother's Day and things like that. So got a new computer. So yes, guys, I'm just kind of transitioning, upgrading my channel, and I'm also in the middle of moving. So just bear with me, okay? I'm just doing a little life change, all right? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, this is on transitioning natural hair, okay? She's been growing her hair out for about between 6 to 8 months. So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Also, like, if you guys can see, I do straighten her hair with the flat iron, because I just wanted to see, like, since her hair was so short, would it be easier and flow better and look smoother and look neater if I flat iron it? Of course, I use like a heat protectant, but I want to know what's the difference between like hair that's like kind of bone straight and hair that's kinkier and things like that. But like I said, most of her hair is already straight anyway, so all I really had to do was straighten the roots, so it wasn't really much of a difference. I noticed a slight difference, but not nothing crazy, okay? So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.